How to disable the save option on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to disable the save option on Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device. After you tap on Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the message like icon on Snapchat. After you go to the message like icon on the Snapchat, now you have to tap on the very person whose snap you would like to delete or who is the very you would like to just disable the save option of. You can go to the person like this and tap on the person. Now after you go to the person, you can see the three dots on the top side. Now after you go to the three dots on the top side, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the chat and the notification settings and then tap on that. After you chat on the chat and notification settings like this, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the keep the snaps in chat here and then tap on that. Now if you enable it will be happen that snaps will stay in the chat for 24 hours after being viewed, but if you disable it, the very save option would be disabled itself. So this is the way which you can do. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.